Okay, so you've got your Hello World program up and running, or whatever program you're using, and you want to get it loaded up in a nice way. Well, today we're going to look at using the loader.lgt file for our Hello World program, just like you see in all of the examples that come along with Logtalk. So as a quick reminder, last time we had this, which is our Hello World program. It just has a single greet predicate that's public, and we are going to make a new file to load this in. This is very useful when you've got lots and lots of files in complex programs. So we're going to make a loader.lgt file. It'll look like this. And we are going to use an init, another little snippet that's made for Vim, because I made it. It makes life easy. You can get it for Logtalk if you like. But in this snippet, we have initialization. So initialization means we're going to run it once right at the start when we're loading up everything, and only once. And we are going to load in our program. So for us, that is only hello. That's the name of the file without the .lgt extension. And that's all we need to do for this. So let's jump across. Let's use a different backend this time, because one of the great things about Prolog is it can support many different backends. So we're going to use Eclipse this time, and we're going to tell it with the -f flag for Eclipse Prolog to load the loader, and it loads Logtalk, and somewhere in here, yep, here it is. It tells you that it's loaded in that hello.lgt. So when we go to send that greet message to hello, it says hello world, which is wonderful. Now, another couple of things you might want to know about using these initialization files. It tends to be a good idea if you are making complicated programs where you're loading in maybe some things from the standard library. You might want to do a Logtalk load, and something like MetaLoader is one I often use because I quite like the functional style of programming. And you could do your third, well, I do like this. I do standard library type imports or Logtalk imports. Let's expand that back out again. And then I would do a list of the local imports for the actual program itself. And once you are quite happy with how things are running in your program, you're not trying to debug things constantly, it's a good idea to add in the optimize with a Z, because it's American spelling, on flag, and that will improve the compilation of the Logtalk, so it runs faster for you. So let's just halt out of that, make sure I haven't broken anything and it all still works. Oh, go on. There we go. All right, so it's loaded up Meta, which loaded up the Meta protocol too, and it's loaded up hello. No warnings. I didn't do that with RL wrap, so we'll have to call it hello greet, hello world, and once again it works. Brilliant. Did it work in less time? Yes, 0 seconds CPU. Also 0 seconds CPU. Bit too small of a program to actually see that benefit there, but I think you get the idea. So if you would like to know more about Logtalk and you want to see more or learn more about how to use it, then now is a good time to hit like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out. Until then, happy Logtalking.